It has been a minute since I've uploaded a YouTube video, and we're back. We're back. So it's January. It is the new year, and as they say, new year, new me. Except new year, same old bullshit. But we are in the shop. We got well, I'll tell you what we got going on. I'll show you what we got going on. First things first, we got little Miss Daisy over here. Little Miss Daisy laying this next to some Big Chief heads. She's like, Dad, we got to go racing. We got to go racing soon, right? Soon, racing. Okay. Well, it is kind of a disaster in here right now. We're got a lot going on, and I got an employee. So my grandfather, he is working with me on the CNC deal. So couple months ago, I picked this guy up. It's a Tormac 1100 CNC milling machine. I also have a 4th axis back there, but we haven't hooked that up yet. So that's what we got going on with that. He has done CNC work his entire life, and I'm fairly new to it. I've always wanted to manufacture my own parts, so I've bought and sold new and used performance parts for 4 to 5 years now. I've been in business since 2021, and it's cool, but sourcing used parts is it's getting a little difficult. A lot of these old boys, at the swap meets, I'm like the youngest person there, and I'm just lowballing them. And anyway, I'm not lowballing anybody. That looks bad for business, but anywho, it's I've always wanted to make my own product, It started off with a throttle body. I've always wanted to make my own throttle bodies, nitrous nozzles, things like that, Growing up, I watched Justin Carmack, Carmack rear ends, and he'd make these badass rear ends, and I'm like, how is he doing it? And, he posted up a picture, and it was a CNC machine, and I'm like, dang. That's what I need. And I was probably like, I don't know, 13, 14 at the time. Now I'm in my mid-20s. So we're doing it. So I really would like to, in the future, step into some more aerospace stuff. I could kind of get crazy. I don't want to get too delusional on here, but yeah. So we got the Mustang back here. And we are working on firing this old girl up. So if you don't know the car, it is a 1967 Mustang GT 500. No, it was never a real Mustang GT 500, as it is a carbon fiber body on a tube chassis. That is just what the body was called by Velocity Bodies. I know somebody will, say, oh, that was never a Mustang. No, it wasn't. No. So it has a 632 in it on a couple stages. Got carburetors just like how God intended, and big tires and a wheelie bar. Yeah, so it also has a 4-speed Bruno Lenco. Back in May, we had a small fire with the deal, kind of burned up some lines, basically a lot of AN lines and SUT and, just fire suppressing system. But Daisy, don't eat that. Hey, don't eat that. But back in May, we had a fire, and then my dad moved, and then I moved, and then now we're like, okay, we need to go racing. We're kind of like crashing out a little bit. I'm crashing out, not going to lie. And I need to get strapped back into the race car. So, yeah. Hey. Okay. What's up? What's up, babe? But my dad has been working on this thing the last couple nights. And I have been kind of tinkering with it myself. I'm going to say last thing I really need to do for the fuel system is make a line from here to there. Need to order a new belt for the oil pump on virtualspeedperformance.com. I also picked up another, or a oil pump belt on virtualspeedperformance.com. However, the nut that goes into the oil pump here to prime it, it broke off, so that's fantastic. So we just had to pull the oil pump off or something like that and extract that bolt and put another one in there. He's reporting to work. Got his Corvette jacket on and everything.
Right out of propane this morning. 1:30 in the morning.
Oh, you,
cold as fuck.
you ran out of propane?
Yeah,
Oh, that sucks.
it was bad. It was cold, but I just covered up more. So
Well, at least you were comfy. You weren't comfy? No. All right.
And he's got a heating pad.
So I said I was filming today,
He's
so
a princess.
I'm
I
being.
think we should, even if it's a 2 or 3 minute video,
Yeah.
it's coming back to life.
We're talking about how you're a princess and you sleep with a heating pad.
I do sleep with a heating pad, and it is magnificent.
He's like, oh, were you guys cold last night? I was like, no, this guy had a heating pad on high.
Dude, it looks so good back together.
I know. I like
So excited.
the headers. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. So what's left is the fuel pump and
Fuel pump. While you're doing the fuel pump, I'll tighten up the distributor.
yeah.
And I want to put the oil sending line on just so we can watch the oil pressure while.
But
while
yeah.
filming. I don't want to ignore that.
Well, that shouldn't be too
I oiled
big.
the top by hand.
deal.
Last night I bought a
A squirter.
Kids that work at AutoZone have no idea what this is. I said, hey, I need an oil pump, a little oil can.
Yeah.
What?
Like, what is that?
Yeah, exactly. What?
All right. Well, I guess we'll rebuild a fuel pump, and I don't know where that race pack module is. hey, Bella.
Oh my gosh.
He's like, it's been so long. It's been like. Test the fuel system and see if there's any leaks.
We're not racetrack ready, but ready to get fine.
We're trying. Trying. Oh, some of that old blue in there. That blue tint. You know what that means.
Let's see how good the boy is in rebuilding the pump
Probably not very good.
on the quick. Either we were.
There's caps missing. Wherever those might have went.
Hey, sometimes I do know what I said.
You definitely have fuel up there.
Or did they go in there? Is there any?
I wouldn't even know where to look for the caps, right?
should they be right up here?
Talking to me? Who that?
Watch for the leak. Make sure you get Nick in the car.
I didn't realize I didn't have a brake pedal.
You were pumping it up, weren't you?
I normally pump
Well, we
it
got a
up.
few little things to go back and fix.
Yeah.
Fire this motherfucker up. Wait a minute. That is on, that oil pump is on with set nuts, but I broke the prime screw off. So if it looks like it starts to walk, somebody let us know. I'm going to watch it too, but just that way we have a couple eyes on it.
Yeah. All right, ready?
Fire's good. kind of sounded like it wasn't hitting on all cylinders. Say maybe when you fire it up this time, bring up the idle a little bit. Hold on a second.
The smell,
Let
it
me
was
pop off a valve cover real quick and just see if
rehydrated. It was getting all that, internal stuff in me going, I was like, yeah.
See how next there.
Waking you up a little bit.
Yeah.
Mix up.
Princess treatment. Just watching them work on the car.
I know. Pro mod life, except we don't have a pro mod motor yet. Soon. You got